My name is HARSHIT Raj. I am from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my BE from Mechanical Engineering and I am 2020 pass out. I have come to Qspiders to gain skills and get in an IT industry. So it helped me a lot. The trainers have a very unique technique to teach us. The skill which I got here, that was Java, SQL and manual testing and automation. The trainers like Ramya ma'am, Varun sir, Abhishek sir was too awesome to teach and it was too easy to learn from them. HRs very helpful and they give me as many as requirements which I won't be getting outside the organization. So I will definitely suggest my friends to come to Qspiders. Thank you.